channel. I'm gonna show you guys how to whip up a omelette quick and easy. If you're in a rush, you want something to whip up right quick to eat and on the go with, I'll show you how to make a quick omelette with some lettuce, okay, some thyme, we add tomato, some bell pepper, whatever color you want to use, red, green, orange. Have some green onion, which we Jamaican, we call it scallion. Alright? A scallion is for we. But y'all know it as green onion, okay? Now we need to have some season. I don't like to use too much salt. You know, get some black pepper as well. I like to use my olive oil, okay? Just a little bit. And the most important thing that you're gonna need is your egg, okay? You got your bowl. Then I love to use a little bit of Maggi, give it a little flavor, and to give it a little different taste, you can use a piece of bacon, or you could use bologna, or you can use sachets, hot dog, whatever you want to use, and a little bit of meat, or you don't have to use any meat if you don't want to, okay? But I like to use my bacon to give that a little flavor, okay? Also, I like to use lemon. I like to squeeze the juice of it on the egg to take out that raw taste. Trust me, it works, okay? Okay, you get your bowl. Oh, and I also let you know, piece of onion as well, okay? So you're gonna take everything, gonna put everything here, gonna put thyme, you wanna cut that, piece of lemon. Then I'm gonna take all of this in here, okay? And I'm gonna go wash it. Wash them. Wash the pepper. You want to strip that green onion. Like I said before, we call it scallion. Now the Jamaican way, yeah, scallion, same stuff. Okay, we get that clean. Wash. Drain it up. Things clean. Okay, you got this. Chopped up in small pieces. Okay. I'm gonna get your bell pepper. Okay. Gonna cut it. Not a lot. Alright. You're gonna slice it up and then you're gonna dice it up. You're gonna get the green one. Your tomato. Trust me, it's gonna taste so good, y'all gonna say. You got your onion. It's not that much, you know. You wanna make sure you got your onion. The onion give it a nice flavor taste, okay? Nice flavor taste. These are the thyme. Your thyme, okay, it's not a lot that I use. Bacon. Cut it up in little pieces. Get your bowl. Okay. Crack it open. Okay. And I like to take out whatever they call the eye. It's a Jamaican thing. I'm not sure. I'm just saying it's my thing. So I'm not sure if it's a Jamaican thing, but I do it. And I'm Jamaican, so yes, I take out that little clear white stuff out of it. Okay. ahead, we'll take that clear thing out. Then you take it and you stir. If you have a whip, you could use a whip as well, but I just love to get it done easy with my fork. Okay, you just whip it up. Okay, down. Add a small little pot. Okay, small little pot. I'm gonna use not too much. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys, right? Got it all cleaned up. You got the yellow bell pepper, green tomato, some onion, some green onion, some thyme, and bacon. Got your Maggi because you're gonna need that. Yeah, get a little flavor. And your rest of seasoning, you know you got your egg. So make sure we have that fire not too high, right? A bit warm. Take your bacon, drop it in there. Okay. Just want to fry it up a little bit, make it a little crispy. See that? So you want to fry it up a little bit, let it get a little bit crispy. Okay. Okay. Take this pot, put it right here. Turn that on. A little bit of olive oil for your omelette. Okay. A bit of oil. Okay, you see that? Okay, and we're gonna turn that off. Okay, turn the bacon off. All right. Ooh, yeah, looking good. Then I'm gonna take this, the egg. Okay, I'm gonna pour it in. And we're gonna pour it all in there. Yeah, all of it. We're gonna take our Maggi seasoning. Okay, we're gonna take the Maggi seasoning and sprinkle just a little bit over it. Not too much, okay? I don't like to use salt, so the seasoning will give it a little flavor. Take this seasoning, it's all-purpose seasoning, Grace. Sprinkle this a little bit over here, okay? Okay, you're gonna take this, the onion, okay? I'll take the tomato. Take the green onion, which is scallion, like me tell you before. A green scallion we call it, but you guys may know it as green onion, okay? Put the bell peppers, okay? Put some bell pepper. So the thyme, remember I didn't cut it up? What I do is take the leaf off, and I just use the leaf of it. Okay, I'm gonna take that bacon. Ooh. Those little crispy bacon. We're gonna put it on there. Then you're gonna take black pepper. Okay, you just want to put just a little bit. Okay, that's it. You get everything in there. Just take a look. Trust me, it's gonna taste real good. You could try it at home. So we're gonna take this here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. Okay. You're gonna take it and you're gonna flip it. Just like that. See how golden and pretty that is? You flip it. See that? That is beautiful. So all you do is go flip it. Okay? What I'm gonna do is take the rest of the egg. Okay? I'm gonna pour it over it. So if you close it off. Okay? So I'm gonna do that. Okay? Once I pour it. Okay guys, that's how it looks. Alright. Okay. So it look golden. It is very easy to do. Is take the rest of the egg. Okay. I'm gonna pour it over it. So if you close it off. Okay. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. Once I pour it. Okay guys, that's how it looks. Alright. Okay. So it look golden. It is very easy to make. It may show a little time what I'm doing, but it's because I'm trying to go step by step so you guys could understand and know the ingredients to put in there. So it may look like it's a long process, but it's really not. It's very easy. Okay, all right. I'm gonna turn the stove off. Okay, I'm gonna get a plate. I'm gonna put it in there, show you guys what it look like. Okay, so it's finished with. Okay, ooh, very easy. I want to take my lettuce leaf, break this part off. Okay, I don't like to use the other part of it. I'm gonna take the omelet out. I'm gonna place it right there. I'm gonna take your knife. Okay, I'm gonna slice it in two. Show you exactly what you guys think. Okay, maybe want to go into light. So it look. It's the color there. Okay, what you guys think? Okay, so guys, remember when I said you need a little piece of lemon? Okay, what I do here is, okay, you take the lemon and you squeeze it over it. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a little tingling taste. Okay, as well, you're gonna take your fork and knife. Okay, you're gonna cut into it. Okay, all right. There you go. Okay, that's some flavor. Okay. It tastes really good. I'm not just joking. It tastes really good. It is very easy to make. Okay. It's very easy to whip up. Very tasteful as well. So what I want you guys to do, you guys to do this at home. Okay, it's not too much work, trust me. So what we wanted to do is come over here, so come vibe with me, and you know, learn my little techniques of how I really cook. You know, what I want you guys to do is just hit that like, hit that share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Come vibe with Trena, Trena. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and look out for my other video. Okay? So, appreciate y'all. Bye. See y'all another time.